Again, because this is a track bike, the 2 brake light switch wires we don't need, so we might as well take them out of the harness just to simplify things, so it's less stuff to worry about. Save that for a little later, and very easily whoosh, pull that out. Case back, cover it back together. We just simplified things. So, black and the red and white are going to be common. So we'll clip those guys off. Strip a small amount of wire. Only need about 4 millimeters. We're going to join these two together for the single terminal. Make sure you get a very solid crimp. The crimp is very important. Again, the last thing you want to do is have this terminal come off. So, this one is our common one, which goes into the second one from the back. It's a little tighter because we have 2 wires rather than just one. Make sure we got the right one. There we go. Okay. Now, start and stop switch is the red and black, which will go into this one. And then the starter, blue and white, goes into here. At this point, this is very simple and straightforward. It takes a little while to decode the stock switch, but putting it into the new one, pretty simple and straightforward. Let's try it on the bike. So now that we have the switch complete, connector for the stock harness installed on the switch, first thing we want to do is just, of course, test to make sure that it all functions properly. So the switch will plug into the harness as it will normally. Turn the power on. Should hear the fuel pump or something run when you turn that one on. Yep, I heard the relays turned over. And this one has a clutch switch on it. So here, we don't want to suck the thing in there. Got to pull in the clutch. Yep, there we go, 100% functional. Just now, disconnect the switch again. We're going to reinstall it onto the handlebar, route the wire down through, and we're ready to go. Always want to just go ahead and make one more quick test, make sure that it functions correctly. Turn it on, you can hear the stuff cycle, pull the clutch in. Yep. everything's all done. Just one final thing to go over. As you can tell from what we did earlier, this is not a terribly difficult job. If you take your time, stay organized, and do your work carefully and check your work to make sure that you don't have any problems or make any mistakes, this is not a difficult job to do. But this controls a significant safety feature of your motorcycle. If something goes wrong with this, you either won't be able to turn it off if you have a problem, or it may shut off all by itself, both of them which could result in a very dangerous situation. So make sure that you triple check your work if you're doing this yourself, and if you're not 100% sure that you can do this job right the first time, try to find someone who is an experienced professional mechanic to do this installation for you.